Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. It is my pleasure to share with you the exciting world of Branding University, or BU, as we affectionately call it. BU is more than just an e-learning platform. We specialize in providing entrepreneurs and small business owners with insightful digital courses on personal branding, marketing, and the groundbreaking applications of artificial intelligence, AI, in these areas. Our objective? To empower you with the I don't want to sound salesy. To empower you with the knowledge and skills to establish yourself as an authority in your field and effectively employ online marketing tactics. To our potential and existing students, BU offers a wealth of learning opportunities. The newest one we are introducing is a free AI course. This course isn't just a valuable educational resource, it's an entry point to a broader learning ecosystem we've meticulously crafted for you. Now let's talk about our affiliate partners. As an affiliate partner, your role is to promote BU's digital courses, and in return, earn a 50% commission on all purchases made through your referral links. But what sets our affiliate program apart is our lifetime attribution of referrals. This means once a user signs up for a course through your affiliate link, they remain your user for life. Any future purchases from that user will earn you a commission. BU doesn't leave its affiliate partners to navigate the waters alone. We provide extensive support through offering free courses, launching new courses, sending email offers, and using automated email responders. In addition, you receive your own customizable blog, updated daily with fresh news content, where you can share your personal story, promote your products, or BU's offerings. What's more, you receive a list of your leads, including their names and emails, to use for your own networking and marketing efforts. Our newest initiative, the AI course, serves as a potent resource for affiliate partners to gather new leads. The course comes with a special capture page that meets all social media community standards, maximizing its reach. The course contains a bonus module with an enticing offer to purchase a related paid AI course. We'll talk about that in a sec, at a 90% off discount. If a student chooses to purchase this course, you earn a commission. Potential shareholders. This strategic approach creates an environment conducive to growth, profit, and scalability. Our systems are designed to convert leads effectively, adding to our profitability and providing a win-win scenario for us and our affiliate partners. At BU, we believe in the power of knowledge and the potential of partnership. We invite you to become part of this exciting journey as we continue to revolutionize learning and entrepreneurship. Thank you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, the link in the bio, or the button on the page, depending on where you're seeing this video, and start applying these game-changing strategies in your business today. Since this course resides within the Branding University e-learning platform, you'll need to open a free student account if you don't already have one. This way, you can come back at any time, log into your student account, and refer back to this amazing course. Remember, time is of the essence, and this free offer won't last forever. So let's go. I'm excited to see you on the inside.